Okay, this set of problems is over finding the unit rate. Okay, unit rate, well, the word unit means one. So if, for example, the first problem, if you spend $20 on 5 pens and you want to know the unit rate, you want to know the number of dollars that you would spend for one. Okay, unit means one. Okay, there's a couple different ways you could do this, but I think if you just think the word per, okay, the word PER, to just think about it, that as division. The word per means division. Okay, so if I want dollars per pen, I could just take the number of dollars divided by the number of pens. Okay, dollars per pen. Just think of that as taking dollars divided by pens. Okay, think of the word per as meaning division. So problem 16. Okay, if I have $20 for 5 pens, and I want to know the number of dollars for 1 pen, the number of dollars per pen, just divide. So I'm going to take $20 divided by 5 pens. Okay, 20 divided by 5 is 4. So that means $4 per pen. So whatever the unit rate that they want, the label per label, second label, just take the two numbers, think of the word per as meaning division, and just divide. Okay, I need to go over another one. Hopefully I'm making some sense. Okay, if you read 1/4 of a book and half of a day, find the unit rate in books per day. Okay, so they want books per day. So just take the number of books divided by the number of days. Okay, so they want books per day. So one way you can find the answer to this problem is take the number of books divided by the number of days. So 1/4 of a book divided by the fraction of a day. Just take 1/4 divided by a half. And again, this is just one way to do these problems. There's other ways to do these. Well, if I take 1/4 divided by a half, keep the first fraction the same, change divide to multiply, and then flip over the second fraction. Maybe you guys learned KCF. Okay, copy, change, flip. Okay, multiply the tops, multiply the bottoms. Once you have a multiply problem, you just multiply the tops and multiply the bottoms. You get 2 over 4. 2 over 4 reduces to a half. Okay, so if you read 1/4 of a book and half of a day, that means you would read 1/2 of a book per day. Okay, so again, for these problems, I would just think about per means divide. Why don't you try 18 on your own and see what you can do? Okay, pause the video, do 18, and then unpause. Okay, 18. If you're painting 1/3 of a model in 1/4 of a day, okay, find the unit rate in models per day. Okay, so you want 1/3 of a model per 1/4 of a day. So you want to take models divided by days. You want to take the 1/3 divided by the 1/4 of the day. So take 1/3 divided by a 1/4. Okay, to take 1/3 divided by a 1/4, you do have to copy, change, flip, or keep, change, flip. Keep the 1/3, change divide to multiply, flip over the 1/4 to be 4 over 1. So we have 1/3 times 4 over 1. Okay, multiply the top numbers, multiply the bottom numbers, you get 4/3. If you really wanted to, you could change that to a mixed number. Okay, take 4 divided by 3. 3 goes into 4 once, 1/3 left over, 1 1/3. So you could say you're painting 1 1/3 of your model per day. One 1 1/3 of your model every day. Okay, we are going to spend more time with this concept in class, looking at different ways to do this. But I thought for the Khan Academy, if you could just think of it this way, if you see the word per, it just means divide. Okay, take the first label in your statement, like something per something, take that first number of somethings and divide it by the second number of somethings. Okay, and that will give you your unit rate. Okay, there are some problems on Khan Academy where you kind of compare different unit rates too, so it gets a little complicated, but don't hesitate to ask me if you have any questions. Okay?